Why is important water? Water is important for regulates body temperature, keeps your skin, weight loss, lubricate joints, kidney stone prevention, and aiding digestion. Helps maximize physical performance. It flushes body waste. It helps with nutrient absorption. Water detoxifies. Water helps your brain function optimally. Weight loss carries nutrients and oxygen to cells. It helps create saliva. Why hydration is important? Constipation, fatigue, dry mouth, dull skin. You may not realize it, but water is an important key to feeling good. It helps regulate your body temperature, prevent infections, get rid of waste, and deliver nutrients to cells. Water also plays a role in your mental wellness. Without enough, you could have trouble with sleep, memory, information. Foods that hydrate you. Your body typically gets about 20% of the water it needs from the foods you eat throughout the day. Foods that typically provide the highest water content are raw fruits and vegetables. Eating a diet heavy in produce is a good way to give the body vitamins, minerals, and fiber while increasing your daily water intake. Any fruits and vegetables with more than 80% water content are a great choice. But these foods, all with a water content greater than 92%, offer the best bang for your buck when it comes to getting the water your body needs. Cucumber 96%. If you love the crunch of a cucumber, you're in luck. Cucumbers have the highest water content of any solid food. Iceberg lettuce 96%. Darker greens do provide more fiber, folate, and vitamin K, but when it comes to staying hydrated, crispy iceberg has the goods. Celery 95%. In addition to being full of water, celery is a great source of fiber. Add some protein-rich nut butter and you have a healthy and thirst-quenching snack. Radishes 95%, spinach 92%, zucchini and summer squash 94%, tomatoes 94%, watermelon 92%. It's no surprise that watermelon will hydrate you, but like tomatoes and other red fruits and veggies, it's also a great source of lycopene. Strawberries 92%. These sweet berries are a great choice when you're hot and sweaty. They're low in calories, but high in water, fiber, and vitamin C. Asparagus 92%. With its rough texture, most people choose to eat cooked asparagus. But its water content is the same whether you eat it cooked or raw. So go ahead and grill up some spears. Cauliflower 92%. And mushrooms 92%. Now we're going to find how to sell water. You can do it this business like a part-time, very easy. Understand your market. Choose your type of water. Get the right supply. Branding and packaging, pricing strategy, marketing and promotion, distribution and logistics. So now we see number 1 is understand your market. Target audience, identify who your customers are. Are you targeting health-conscious consumers, people on the go, athletes, or a local market? Example schools, gym and sports center office. Number 2, choose your type of water. You can sell this type bottled water, filtered water, flavored water, bulk or delivery water. Number 3, get the right supply. Sourcing water. If you're selling bottled or packaged water, you need to establish a relationship with water suppliers or manufacturers. Some options include spring water companies that bottle directly from a natural source, private label water companies that allow you to brand their existing product as your own, filtered water systems to provide clean water at lower costs. Bottling and packaging. If you want your own branded bottled water, you may need to work with a bottling plant to produce the water under your label. I think so now you know how to sell water.